Figure 8 positioning for wrist release. This is a fine-tuned positioning release for specific areas of wrist restriction. It's helpful to support those who work at a desk, use tools, or experience carpal tunnel. Begin by taking this moment to attune and sense into the current quality of the wrist and its movements. And then begin to move the hand in a figure 8 shape. As you move, feel for any restrictions or resistance. And when you find resistance, take the wrist back slightly to a comfortable spot just before the resistance. From here, we apply a light compression as though you're folding just beneath the restriction. So we'll hold for about 30 seconds to a minute or until you feel a release. This positioning softens the guarding reflex and opens space, allowing for release. And gently coming out of the position when you're ready. And feeling into the figure 8 movement again. And repeat when you find another point of restriction. Taking the movement back slightly to a point of comfort and then compressing as if compressing under the restriction. Holding for 30 seconds to a minute or until you feel a release. Breathing gently, arms are relaxed, and deepening into the softening. And when you're ready, gently coming out. And we'll go one more time, feeling into the figure 8 movement again. Finding another point of restriction. Taking the wrist just before this point. And gently compressing into the comfort. And we'll hold for 30 seconds to a minute until a release is felt. Making sure arm is relaxed, inviting in softness. Breathing gently. And gently coming out when you're ready. And let the hands come to rest. And take a moment to sense into the wrist. Noticing sensations. And acknowledging any change to yourself, however subtle. These movements can be repeated daily to restore ease and range of motion. Remember that subtle shifts can continue for a few days, so drink plenty of water and be mindful of integration. Thank you.